between two friends discussing about exam preparation. Ajay and Ashwin. Ajay, hey Ashwin, how is your exam preparation going? Ashwin, it's okay, but I'm feeling a bit stressed. There is still so much to cover. What about you? Ajay, same here. I have finished some subjects, but there are a few that I am struggling with, especially maths. Ashwin, oh, maths is tough for me too. I have been practicing every day, but I still make mistakes. Ajay, I know the feeling. Have you tried solving past exam papers? They help a lot with understanding the pattern. Ashwin, oh, I have not done that yet. Good idea. I will start with that today. Ajay, it really helps. And also, try to make short break while studying. It's keep your mind fresh. Ashwin, exactly. Don't overwork yourself. A fresh mind can learn better. Ajay, you're right. I am trying to balance it out. Let's stay positive. We will do our best. Ashwin, absolutely. We got this. Let's keep helping each other too. Ajay, deal. All the best for your exam, Ashwin. Ashwin, thank you. Me too, Ajay.